Welcome to the Brothers Living. Please subscribe. Hi guys, welcome to the Brothers Living. Today we're gonna play with Play-Doh.
Yay! Play-Doh. Right, so it says Play-Doh. Get us age 3 years plus. Dr.Drill and Fill. Okay. So inside you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the teeth, the one teeth, and there's the other one on the down there. And yeah, this could be the teeth making. Look at that. So that's toothbrush here. This is the teeth. Filling in. Oh, you put fill the teeth. And this is the
You need to grab the tape.
Oh yeah, that's clip. I'm very excited, Darian. This one here, so you just put them all together. It's easy to put them all together. I reckon, yeah, that's it.
I had no idea they was going to stick together.
Oh wow, you made it so nice, Radiohead. Wow.
Can I put one
Look at
teeth in?
guys. Okay.
Yeah.
Teeth. Just put teeth.
No dots. Okay. Oh, what's this?
I reckon that's a bracelet. You make a bracelet on your teeth.
What's that? Bracelet.
Yeah, the other one.
I already noticed that. Oh, that's a good hole.
Make it here.
Oh, that tickles my nose.
Oh, that's good.
I'll put it inside my nose.
Alright.
Oh, look, that's a good hole.
You want a good hole. There, here.
Because you know how to make stupid stuff. The tongue.
Tongue. Wow.
It normally looks like a butt.
It's not. Is that right? It's
It
look
will-
like a bat.
It will, you'll see it will look like a butt.
Oh, that's nice. So that's because he is so small head. So the tongue is small as well, right? It's just like that. Tongue, and this is a tongue too. There's a lips.
The edges and the lips.
Ah, the edges. Oh, nice.
No. I'm not doing that.
Wow.
I'll get off this early.
Oh, look amazing though. Look at that. So cool. Oh, wow. So that's you put in there. Oh, okay.
Then I'm gonna go with that.
So you put another one. This that will fit in there. Also, Darian holding the drill. What are you drilling, Darian?
Nothing. He's just playing with it.
Oh.
Doing nothing. It's just making that sound.
He's just making a sound. Oh, no, they're actually doing something. Look. Wow. Cool, Darian.
Honey, can you please put all the teeth in?
Whoa, look at this.
That's the blood. This is so far what I made. Just a pile. So today, you guys, love, peace, be awesome and stay cool. I hope you like it. Please subscribe. Bye.